Hey everyone, Sonic Expressions here, back with another reaction video. So today I'll be reacting to WayV's Sheer Wolf, the performance video, and I'm really excited to see this. Now, as you may know, I really do love WayV. They're one of my favorite artists, favorite groups from SM at the moment, and they've really been through a lot, but I really still love seeing their performance, still seeing them, overcome, persevere, and still put out stuff as well at this time. So recently I also reacted to Give Me That, yeah, the music video, and it was really good, and I'm so happy they got their first win as well. So I'm really excited to see what this video has in store for us, and yeah. Ooh. Wait, that was Xiaojun, and then when it went to 10. Okay, this has got more of a chill, sensual vibe, especially compared to Give Me That, which is more upbeat. But I like it a lot. Of course, 10 with the body rolls. This choreography is so smooth already. Now that is a hard-hitting chorus, but I like it. Oh, Hendery, go on. Bacon. Ooh, 10's facial expression in the center, of course, is always great. Ooh, nice visuals. Special effects. Wow. This reminds me a little bit of Thriller by Michael Jackson. A little bit. Okay, and I believe that is all for the performance video, and I really like that. I love the fact they had more of like a sensual, calm vibe within the beginning or the verse parts, and then it builds up, and that chorus is so hard hitting, and I definitely believe them. She definitely must be a wolf, so I really enjoyed that, and I really enjoyed the choreography as well, and yeah, it was sort of similar yet different to Give Me That. I think Give Me That was a lot more upbeat and cheery, while this was a little bit more kind of intense and mysterious as well. So you have that little difference in comparison, but I still enjoyed both as well. So another great song from WayV. Now that is all for the reaction for today, but if you'd like me to keep on reacting to more WayV videos or have any other suggestions, then please do put them in the comments, and I'll see you in my next reaction video.